Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mind Detective. Today we're tackling a question that plagues countless guys. How to make her chase you. Feeling invisible? Spending more time crafting the perfect text than getting a response? It's enough to make any guy throw in the towel. But fear not, fellas, because the truth is, attracting a woman isn't about chasing her, it's about sparking her interest and letting her chase you. So, how do we flip the script? Here are 13 powerful habits that will have her chasing after you in no time. Habit number 1. Be the decision maker. Ditch the "where do you want to eat" routine. Take charge, choose a cool date spot, and show her you're confident in your plans. Habit number 2. Give her butterflies. A little mystery goes a long way. Surprise her with a compliment, a playful touch, or an unexpected invitation. But remember, keep it rare to maintain the magic. Habit number 3. Set your standards high. Having clear standards isn't arrogance, it's self-respect. A woman who values herself will appreciate a man who does the same. Habit number 4. Live in the moment. No one wants to date a guy glued to his phone. Be present, be engaged, and show her you're genuinely interested in the world and her around you. Habit number 5. Make your compliments count. Forget generic flattery. Find something unique you admire about her and tell her. Show her you see the real her, not just a pretty face. Habit number 6. Have deep conversations. Skip the small talk. Ask her meaningful questions. Listen intently, and get to know the person behind the smile. Habit number 7. Text like a pro. Instant replies scream desperation. Take your time, show her you have a life, and let the anticipation build. Habit 8. Keep it playful. A little playful banter can be irresistible. Tease her gently, challenge her opinions in a fun way, and keep things light and engaging. Habit number 9. Spark a little jealousy. Wisely. Don't be cruel, but don't be a doormat either. Show her you have a fulfilling life and other women find you attractive. Habit number 10. Make your absence. Felt being available 24/7 makes you less valuable. Give her space, let her miss you, and pique her curiosity about what you're up to. Habit number 11. Don't seek validation. Don't bend over backward for her approval. Be confident in yourself and your worth. A woman wants a man who stands tall, not one seeking constant reassurance. Habit number 12. Don't stick to one choice. The world is full of amazing women. Don't get hung up on one rejection. Move on, keep your options open, and an abundance mindset will attract the right person. Habit number 13. Be the best version of you. Ultimately, the most attractive quality is authenticity. Focus on self-improvement. Be genuine and let your inner light shine. The right woman will be drawn to the real you. These are just a few habits to get you started, Mind Detectives. Remember, attracting someone takes time and effort. But by focusing on these strategies and becoming the best version of yourself, you'll be well on your way to having her chase you. What are some of your best tips for attracting someone? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more ways to unlock the secrets of human behavior.